Is your upstairs super hot during the winter and your downstairs freezing? Well, let me show you what was the issue with my house and why I didn't know about it until I finally went up into the attic where my system is located. Not every home is like this. Some homes don't even have this. But if you have your line that's going out to all your ducts in your house, there could be a dampener on it, one for maybe the upstairs and one for the downstairs, and that's exactly what I have. I have a downstairs dampener and an upstairs dampener. So the downstairs was closed off for the summer. When I bought the home, it was closed, so only the cold air was going to the upstairs. Well, during the winter, that means only the hot air is going upstairs, and heat rises, so the cold air downstairs, it never got hot, and I was freezing. So I just pull it down like that, and you just pull it until it's in the open position. I put one to open and I put one to close. So now the heat is going just to the basement. Actually, I left the upstairs open a little bit because I still want some air up there, but not as high because heat rises. So as I heat up the basement, that heat's gonna naturally rise up to the upstairs.